Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know to have a good week in Playa del Carmen, Mexico, even if you're by yourself. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the videos and pictures I've included for you. Feel free to ask questions below. Like and subscribe. Thank you. After a 40-minute ride from the Cancun airport, I took the ADO bus over to Playa del Carmen. I stayed in this lovely Airbnb for about $50 a night. Guys, do not stay at a resort. Alrighty guys, we're heading to Chichen Itza, Mayan ruins, one of the 7 wonders of the world. I'm riding on a tour bus, so to speak. It had a bathroom. People of all nationalities were on this bus. I was one of the few people that spoke English and barely any Spanish, but the tour guides made me feel very comfortable. Everything that they said, they translated. In this video, the tour guide is actually doing a prayer for us, but it's a Mayan prayer. He knows the Mayan language. So before we took our shot, which was really a toast, he did a prayer for us. He blessed us, and then we drank it before getting to Chichen Itza. Upon getting to Chichen Itza, we got our tour. We had a chance to walk around on our own to take pictures before heading to the cenote, which is an underground swimming hole, which is very refreshing before getting lunch.
Yang oras ten kinogik tia leti ukunoch mayas. Ekiuk la tontimet por yete kap, yete shim, yete mosche. Ekiuk unoch mayas kitas kon tia tish, malo tia yahkal, beit tia nak. Lak ish, tendits aik yung botik tion zilchak tatalashim batenish. Kukanan tenesulak lenoch makbotes tenach totalo. Tendits aik yung botik tiatish. Muchísimas gracias. Thank you so much. Gracias. Antes que nada, me da mucho gusto que gente tan bonita nos vengan a visitar. Thank you for meeting my alam. Hoy yo les traigo una bebida maya. I drink to you de Mayan licor que se llama el Estaventum. Aquí no se toma el tequila, nada tequila. Se toma esta bebida maya de miel de abeja, raíces y flores fermentado con anís, de Mayan drink de honey bee, flower, core, anisette. Como yo les mencionaba, esta bebida es muy buena para la garganta, medicina de sore throat. Si tienen problemas de gastritis, tiene la miel melipona de honey bee melipona o problemas de colon, muy bueno también, ¿sí? Ahora vamos a hacer un brindis de mega 12 maya. Please, por favor, copitas enfrente, cup in front, please, copitas enfrente, ¿sí? Salud, cheers.
Salud, cheers.
Salud, cheers a todos, everybody, por su visita, for your visit, ¿sí? Por si alguien se va a divorciar. ¿Listos already? Repitan después de mí. Repeat after me. Kana.
Kana.
Kamba.
Kana.
Chumuk. Ichi. Utzimanki. Hachman, rápido male ahora. Salud, cheers.
Something to note while visiting Chichen Itza, lots and lots of people. If you don't mind that, perfect. If you do mind that, go early in the morning. Cooler temperatures and less crowds. I enjoy myself nonetheless.
So that building, if you take a look, it's not the only one, many others, but it is like this.
Here we are in the cenote. After walking down several steep, narrow steps, we made it. Notice that the water is not as clear as other cenotes, but I will show you one in this video that was absolutely stunning. Stick with me. The good thing about the cenotes, though, they all are encompassed by limestone. That limestone is very nourishing to your skin. So definitely get in the water. Before leaving Chichen Itza, be sure to purchase something from the Mayan descendants. Whether that something is a handmade gift or chocolate, be sure to indulge. A tour of this chocolate factory was included with our Chichen Itza and Cenote tour. I bought a bunch. The next morning, I woke up extra early to catch this beautiful sunrise. The beach was only a 15-minute walk from my Airbnb. This beach is also about a block away from Fifth Avenue. Yes, the ever so popular Fifth Avenue. If you will be staying in Playa del Carmen, stay near Fifth Avenue for nightlife, for great food, great shops, and the beach. Also adjacent to Fifth Avenue is an area called the Park, where you'll see the statue, you'll see this tall, prominent pole with people hanging off of the end of it. Yes, those are people. They do a performance for money, but it is a great sight to see. Please tip them. It is hot out there, and they stay up and down that pole, making an honest living. Please support them. Great show too. One thing I loved about staying so close to Fifth Avenue, I was always surrounded by good energy, good crowds of people just looking to enjoy themselves. It was awesome. Every morning after having breakfast, even if I didn't know what I was going to do for the day, I knew that I was going to walk down Fifth Avenue, I knew that I'd walk to the beach, and I knew that I would figure the rest of my day out. I told you I love Fifth Avenue. I spent all day on Fifth Avenue. And here I am just walking down, enjoying the scenery, checking out the nightlife, eating street food and churros and El Pastor tacos. Here I am soaking up some rays on a ferry from Playa del Carmen to Cozumel, the island, which is only about a 35-minute ride. But as you can see, the breeze was nice, the water is beautiful, and the sun was beaming, you all. I was there in January and it was hot. Though the ferry ride was great, Cozumel had nothing on my visit to Tulum. My visit to Tulum was an all-day event. It was a tour that I booked on TripAdvisor, where I also booked the Chichen Itza tour. Not only did the Tulum tour come with a tour of the Tulum ruins, but we were able to visit the beach. We were able to dive into cenote, a crystal clear cenote, and we were also able to climb up on one of the Mayan ruins, Coba. The Mayan people were so nice, you all. After walking about 1.5 miles to Coba, we were able to get a bike ride down. Well, really, he was riding, we were sitting. In hindsight, we probably should have walked back down, considering a huge buffet lunch was waiting for us, and we ate great, as you'll see here. This tour was only about $70, and it was worth every penny of it, as you can see. TripAdvisor, that is the move. That's the way to go. Believe it or not, this is still a part of that Tulum, Cenote, Coba beach tour, food tour, all of that. This is an actual shaman. Listen to him speak. He's giving a blessing right now. And here it is, the crystal clear cenote that I mentioned earlier. This cenote was over 100 feet deep, and you can still see the bottom. You can see the rocks at the bottom of the cenote. This water wasn't too cold, it wasn't too warm, it was perfect. I didn't want to get out. On my last night in Mexico, I indulged in some mezcal, which is a very popular liquor across Mexico. It was served with some crunchy worms, which I didn't care for, but I was happy that I got to try it. This last night is also when I discovered that I enjoy dancing. I took salsa lessons and bachata lessons all for free at this little spot called the Public Place. I also went to a place called Zinni's, which is right on the beach. They also give free dance lessons. Thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos. Please, if you're going to go to Playa del Carmen, check out this restaurant. I guarantee you it will be your favorite restaurant while you're there. Super affordable, great food, great service, guys. It doesn't get any more authentic than this restaurant here. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.